Welcome, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, to the 20th annual Zaxbys Air Raid 4-on-4 Flag Football Tournament.
Oh, am I really on?
Yeah, this is legit.
Oh, yo, baby, check this out. I love this. Only knock I got, I want to play the champions over there. Because not only do I want one trophy, I want two of them things.
I'd like to thank everybody for watching our promo video. And just remember, you can be a part of the action next year with the Zaxbys Air Raid 4-on-4 Flag Football. You know what time it is. And if you don't, well, now you do. It's showtime, baby.
The champ is here! The champ is here! The champ is here! The champ is here!
What a catch on that flag. Here we are, jumping in on action on field 2. Nice little pass. Monks, how many years you guys been in this now?
That's the 20th.
20th year. Been here with us every time.
Played the first year and wasn't going to come back anymore. So I beat down and old. But I was like, well, the 20th, we'll come back and do the 20th. So until next November, this is it.
Until next time.
Right.
We're here at the Air Raid 4-on-4 flag football. We're with one of our regulars. Tell us your name and then tell us how many years that you've played with us.
I'm David Abdall. It's probably like 16th year. We were out here the first year, but we missed a few. So we started when we were like 17 years old, 36 now. So.
How many times you won?
Three or four. Yeah.
And you're going for it this year, right?
Trying to.
We've been out here for about 6 hours now. They started off pretty rough, and now it's going pretty good. Getting ready to play in the semifinals. Ready to kick some ass.
Hey man, come on over here. You got any trick plays coming up?
We might be able to run one here or two, but right now we got to make sure we get the win first.
That is true. The ball is hiked. Fake handoff. Play action pass. What a nice play. Touchdown. I would like to thank all the participants in the Air Raid 4-on-4 flag football. This tournament is for you. Quick handoff. They're going to do a little bit of running action. Nice gain. He has all day to pass the ball. Takes his pick of receivers. Did you see that spin move? Quick handoff. No rush. They don't want to rush. And he's going to run. Straight through the middle. Touchdown.
Just put your
We're out here at the Clark County 4-H Fairgrounds, same place every year. We'd like to give a special thank you to the Clark County Sheriffs, Charlestown Police Department. I'd like to thank Zaxbys for being the official food sponsor of the 4-on-4 flag football. We also have our own End Zone Grill, where you can get hot dogs, hamburgers, chili, coffee, hot chocolate. I'd like to thank all the sponsors of the Air Raid 4-on-4 flag football tournament: Green Banner Publications, Sampan, Print Your Brackets, YouTube. I'd like to thank Court Physical Therapy, the best in rehab. I'd like to thank Cobblestone Hotel and Suites, the official hotel sponsor. I'd like to thank the News and Tribune. We'd like to thank the Colts in Motion. Thank you, Sign Gypsies. You will see the signs with all of these champions.
Hey, we worked hard for this. We worked hard for this. Champions, baby.
Visit us at TeamHoops.com to register your team today. Like us on Facebook. Hit us up on Twitter and Instagram. We'll see you next year at the Air Raid 4-on-4 flag football tournament. We'll see you on the fields. It's showtime, baby.